Hi, my name is Priya. I'm a 29-year-old woman with brown skin, long black hair and dark brown eyes. Next to me there's a picture of the Eiffel Tower with a sunset in the background, a plant and some books. I'm a coach. I do personal development, youth empowerment and public speaker coaching. I do this by offering one-to-one coaching sessions, delivering workshops, giving talks and organising events. I work with people who are committed to growing into the best versions of themselves. I really wanted to be on the Community Connectors programme because I'm very passionate about creating a positive change within my community, and I just knew that being on a programme like this with a network of other people who are also driven to create positive changes within their communities, as well as the support from the producers and a structured programme, would be invaluable in supporting me to make a change and turn my big ideas into reality. I'm really hoping that with the support of the Community Connectors programme that I'll be able to develop a powerful community filled with people who are committed to their personal growth, looking to also inspire and encourage others along the way. I want to share and I also want to gain expertise, knowledge, skills, resources, connections, so that I can make the most positive, powerful change within my community, whilst also supporting my fellow community connectors to do the same with the communities that they seek to serve. But there have also been some really great activities that have given me clarity and really provided structure to the whole process. A highlight has definitely been connecting with my fellow community connectors and producers, so I'm really looking forward to future sessions and I'm very excited about my project. If I were to describe Coventry in one word, it would have to be home.